This week marked another milestone for the Northwood Center redevelopment as the front wall of the former mall came down. Demolition remains on schedule and under budget and is expected to be complete by early 2022. Consistent with the city's recently adopted green building policy, more than 99% of debris has been recycled to date. Like previous project phases, upcoming efforts will benefit from community input. The next round of community engagement activities is anticipated to begin later this year. If you would like to provide feedback now, please email northwoodproject@talgov.com. Local artist Ron Yerabedra, former director of the Lemoyne Center for the Arts, Professor Emeritus of Art Education at FAMU and founding member of the Mary Brogan Museum, donated a signature piece to the city's permanent art collection. The 6-foot by 8-foot artwork entitled Rainforest features Yerabedra's trademark palm trees and gold leaf. This magnificent work will greet City Hall visitors for years to come. Mark your calendar for Jazz Night with Springtime Tallahassee at the next Sundown concert. The free event will be held in Cascades Park from 7 to 10 p.m. on October 23rd. Can't attend in person? Watch the live stream on WCOT Channel 13. Get in the game. Registration is currently open for youth soccer, youth basketball, and adult basketball. On November 1st, registration also opens for beach volleyball. Register now and get more details at talgov.com/parks. Explore underwater archaeology on October 28th with the Tallahassee Senior Center. Barbara Clark of the Florida Public Archaeological Network will discuss unique issues relating to objects found at submerged sites. You can attend in person or via Zoom. Learn more at talgov.com/seniors. Curious to know more about what's happening around town? Add the City of Tallahassee news skill to your Alexa-enabled device, follow City of TLH on social, and visit talgov.com.